Welcome to Majentra Nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country, this hidden gem offers breathtaking views of lush greenery. From elegant rooms with modern comfort to warm, personalized service, Majentra promises a stay like no other. Rooms are designed with elegance and warmth, offering the perfect blend of modern luxury and natural charm. Wake up to stunning mountain views, relax in cozy interiors, and enjoy every detail from cozy beds to private balconies. Take a peaceful stroll through the spice garden, where nature's aromas come alive. Unwind in the luxury private jacuzzi, surrounded by serene mountain views. Savor delicious meals at the restaurant, offering local and international flavors made with fresh ingredients. Experience the joy of a poolside. Whether you are watching the sunrise, enjoying a quiet evening, or capturing the perfect photo, the viewpoint is a peaceful escape into nature's beauty. It's more than just a view, it's a moment of pure magic. Only at Majentra. Whether you are here to relax, explore, or reconnect with nature, this is the perfect escape. Discover the